68.
Right.
Mark Gordon.
Yeah.
I haven't seen, yeah, there it is, it's just going past the pits now, so 68 definitely is here, although he is shown on the timing screen as unknown, which is strange because it's in the programme. The Corvus are here, 105 and 121. And I'll just double check again now for number 180, which you mentioned he wasn't on the original list, and he is not here.
And is there a police car going round?
No, that's the other one that you mentioned, and that doesn't appear to be here.
Right.
We do have a car in the gravel, which I just picked up on the camera, it's disappeared now. But the marshal's working very hard to push an A30 or an A35, one of the two. I couldn't see the rear screen, so I don't know which one it is.
Ah, you know the difference, yes.
Well, yes. So tell us all about the difference between an A30 and an A35.
Well, up the engine, which is different between A30 and A35, but you can't see. Yes, the rear window, that's right, the rear window of the A35 is rather bigger than the rather tiny rear window of the A30. And before you want to know that.
Well, we also need to know that Dean Boston is here.
Oh, good.
So, actually, apart from Chris Rea, who may yet appear, he's on the road to Helium.
I don't know.
He's not here, but
Anyway, he was out in
doesn't
the
appear.
with 1300 weekend, 1300 World Weekend.
I'm still scanning the screen. Doesn't appear either. So it looks as though those are the only two. All the others that we thought were non-starters, in fact, are here, which is great news.
Right. I can tell you the colour of the Volvo Amazon, if you want to know that. It's red with a white roof.
I woke up this morning worrying about that.
What did you know?
Well, that's why I was worrying.
Right.
And the other piece of missing information, which you'll pick up no doubt in minutes, is confirming Mr. Mullen's first name with Frank Stanley, number 7, which we think is Tim, don't we?
Well, I'm kind of putting two and two together, but that's well enough.